It's been quiet lately. Too quiet.
I normally like things quiet, but this is making me nervous.
Maybe we should take action.
What sort of action?
I've been thinking about that masked Saiyan.
Didn't he turn out to be Bardock?
Unlike the others, I can't imagine Bardock working with Mira. There was something about him. Almost like he was under mind control.
Mind control? So you think that if we free him, he might join our side?
Exactly. And if he still has his memories of when they did this to him, he should be able to tell us their plans.
But how in the world do we go about finding him?
If we find out when Bardock vanished, Toa and Mira should be there too. Then that's what we'll do.
Let's get to it. Today's work will be an investigation. I'll be tagging along with you. Let's head on out. It looks like they used a wormhole to capture Bardock. But what is this place, anyway? It reminds me of Earth, but everything is ruined. So you show yourself at last, Toa.
I knew you'd come. I've been waiting for you. Simply tracing our steps would eventually lead you to the wormhole. I suppose it was only a matter of time.
Toa from our time.
No way. Bardock is ours. Don't you get it? It took quite a lot of effort to get him under control. We barely had him after.
Scout, how many times have we fought? This time there will be no interference. This time we will end this. Yes, we will.
Stronger than ever, it seems. Your friend is one of Frieza's race. The most powerful in the universe. Mira, these two have quite a lot of power. It would be very pretty for their energy to help revive the demon realm.
I knew it! Your plan all along has been to unite our universe with the demon realm.
Can't you imagine it? A garden of evil, blooming with rage and pain. So beautiful.
You devil! I've already seen enough despair. I won't let you create any more!
If you want to get to Toa, trust me, you'll have to go through me first.
Mira is much stronger now. Thanks to the energy he's absorbed. You don't have any hope of victory.
Special beam cannon!
I don't believe it! My Mira! It's going going on here? My measurements, they showed that Mira was stronger.
Great power. I will overcome it, and then I shall make it my own.
My path is clear.
You'll soon find I have higher expectations than my little brother.
I'm being pulled in!
One last ace in the hole. I'll send you to the space between dimensions. And it's a one-way trip. Once you go in, there's no coming out.
My battle isn't finished yet.
We needn't worry about that anymore. Let's finish this quickly. It's time to go, Mira.
What the?
Bardock?
I can't shake him off! How is he so strong? Don't! How can someone so weak overpower me? How dare you make a fool of me? This time, it's not about the Saiyans. Even my son, Kakarot. I'm here for payback! Never underestimate a Saiyan's power! Get ready! How could I? By the likes of you! Bardock!
My Mira!
It's over, Toa!
After all that effort to strengthen him, some masterpiece that was. I disgust myself. But I won't be giving up that easily.
What? It's you! You put my partner under your control too? Toa! Toa got her information from the time portal. There's only one way I know to break Toa's mind control. Special beam cannon!
Know
that learning from me is a privilege.
Ugh! Idiots! I'm surrounded by idiots! Fine. In that case, I'll have to start off with a clean slate.
What the? Huh? I guess all we ended up getting was that mask.
Welcome home. I was so worried when I lost contact with you.
Where did you end up anyway?
We went through a wormhole into an unidentified point in time.
So, how did it all go?
Huh? How did what go?
You know, Huh?
I remember my partner.
What did your partner do?
Wait. You're my partner, right?
Hold on a second now. Pull your thoughts together. You two have done a lot of great work together. I don't want to see any infighting now.
That's right. The four of us have a sworn duty to defend history.
What's happening?
Oh no! History is changing in all the scrolls at the exact same time!
Oh no! Changes at this scale are bound to affect this world as well. We'll look into the cause of this. You and Trunks should check outside.